Hello and welcome to Quick Tip 69. And a GoldPass member sent me a little program, and the program was supposed to reposition and keep a text label up to date with the value of the close. So if I show you my other chart, you'll see I've got it applied here, and you'll notice that the value is being updated and it is positioned at the high of the bar, but not so with the strategy, even though the programs are exactly the same. Let me just show you the program. We'll look at it as, let's look at the indicator. So what the GoldPass member did on the last bar of chart, when the label was null, he created a label, set it to persist so it doesn't disappear immediately, set the color. I added this label.font just to make it a little easier to see, and then we added the label using the set point value using BN point. And bear in mind that with BN point we're using an absolute bar index, 0 based, rather than the bar number or current bar, and that's calculated with current bar plus max bounce back minus 1. We set it to the value of the close and we added it to the chart. Now that happens once, but we want to keep it up to date. So we do that on last bar of chart, and we just simply set the point value so that is continually updated, and also the text string. So nice, simple, but potentially useful program. And the strategy exactly the same. So what's going on here? Well, the answer is that with the strategy, if we were to go to studies, edit strategies, and click here on the customize, you will see that the enable intrabar calculation is not enabled. If we go ahead and enable that, you'll see that immediately it will start updating with the current value of the close. And this behavior is exactly the same as what we would get in the indicator. We'll go to studies, and so in the indicator we go to edit studies, customize, and you'll see we've got here in the general tab, update value intrabar tick by tick. We've got that selected. If we deselected that, you'd see that the value on the indicator will stay in one position until the end of the bar, and then it will update. Okay, well, hopefully this might be useful for you.